one of the Catch Can guys here at RX Speedworks with our frequently asked questions series. And one question we get a lot is, how do I install my Catch Can if I have a turbo? Well, the answer is really simple. It's the same for any engine. The installation of a Catch Can is going to involve 3 connections. You're going to have an incoming dirty connection, which is going to come from your PCV valve, which is a positive crankcase ventilation valve. That's where the foul vapor or blow-by byproduct is expelled from the engine to relieve pressure. And that's typically from the factory connected to your intake manifold. So we're just going to step in between that connection with the Catch Can. We're going to have 2 outgoing vacuum connections. One for idle vacuum, so that your can is working efficiently during idle. And then one which we call vacuum 2, and that's vacuum during acceleration. That's going to come from in front of the throttle body from the intake air assembly. With a turbo, being that the intake air assembly is connected to the turbo, you can connect anywhere in that intake air assembly. Probably a little closer to the turbo is going to give you even a little bit more vacuum signal, but we're splitting hairs at that point. 3 connections, just like on a naturally aspirated engine or even a supercharged engine, which is another video. You've got incoming from the PCV valve, which is your dirty, 2 vacuum connections, vacuum 1 intake manifold, vacuum 2 in the intake air assembly, picking up vacuum because of the fast moving air rushing into that turbo via something called the Venturi effect. But to answer your question, again, hooking up a Catch Can for a turbocharged vehicle is the same as for a naturally aspirated vehicle or even a supercharged vehicle. Anyway, thank you very much. We appreciate you checking us out here at the Catch Can guys, and we'll see you in the next video.